Okay, in my quest for a better rotor for the Stubblefield coil, I had some fun with the potato battery. And that's a potato battery, only it's using magnesium and copper and a little capacitor to help store the charge, and it's running this little rotor thing, and I call this the Spud Spinner. And we'll see how long this goes. I believe the acid in the battery is phosphoric acid. I'll have to look it up, but I think that's what's in there, and that supplies the electrolyte for the little magnesium copper battery. And it's just a simple little reed switch circuit, a little coil. But what's interesting is I'm getting a backspike blink off this potato battery, which you normally can't do. You can't run an LED off one of these little potato batteries. The voltage isn't enough, but with the backspike coming off that coil right there with the reed switch, I'm actually getting a blinker out of this thing, which is kind of interesting. So anyway, that was that thing there. It's just a needle bearing type of arrangement on the rotor. Nothing real fancy there. But in my quest to get better rotor, I enhanced the light multiplier, and that is now a one bearing, one magnet spinner arrangement that is being driven by my little light multiplier circuit, and it works quite well. It's running Maggie quite nicely, and I have this running at a real low RPM. And I'm going to rev this up by moving the little driver part out. You can hear this rev up. Maggie's eyes get a lot brighter when I do that. And it's running at many thousand RPM there. I'm driving Maggie. And this is a motor generator. It's just more stable now than having the magnet run on a mirror. And so anyway, that was I've been working on rotors and having a bearing on this. This is a little steel ball bearing. A ceramic bearing would be better. And that's a neodymium magnet, north-south, diametrically magnetized. The faces are on the edges, not the ends. And anyway, that's a little light multiplier circuit. You can look in my videos and find this circuit. And I don't send them out, and I don't send links to them. You just have to dig for it. It's called a light multiplier circuit, similar to a Bedini or a Jewel Thief, but a little different. And then Maggie's just a little coil with a rectifier on her. Anyway, that's what I've been playing with. It's rotor designs, and this was a lot of fun. This was my Spud Spinner. Let's see how long that one runs for.